10 good reasons why you should jump into trading Forex. Foreign exchange market is a market where traders buy and sell currencies with the hope of making a profit when the values of the currencies change in their favor. People are making vast amounts of money from Forex trading. The Forex market has a big potential for everyone, ranging from large corporate firms to ordinary, everyday people like you and me. It is a very exciting trade with huge money-making potential. Just imagine yourself sitting comfortably in your pajamas at your computer, you turn on the internet and make a few quick transactions, and by the time that you get up to get a cup of coffee, you are several $100s rich. Would you like that? I would. I can hear you say, wait a minute. This sounds just like another one of those confusing markets like stocks, options or traditional futures, so what makes this market any different? Good question. So, in answer to your question, here are 10 good, if not great, reasons to enter the Forex trade. 1. First and foremost, Forex trading allows for small investments. You do not have to be able to invest thousands of dollars to get started with this trade. You can start trading Forex with as little as $300 to $350 and could be well on your way to earning more than that on your first day. 2. The Forex markets are always open. You are able to trade anytime and from anywhere in the world. No waiting for the stock exchange to open. The market is ongoing, with generally only minor breaks on the weekends. 3. The funds that you invest are liquid, you can cash them anytime you want. No waiting for days to get your stocks converted into hard cash. 4. The value of the Forex trading market is colossal, it is 30 times larger than all of the US equity markets combined. It is the largest market in the world with a daily reported volume of $1.5 to $2 trillion. This massive value makes it a lucrative and desirable trade to invest in. 5. It is a highly stable trade and offers greater strength over other markets. Countries and people are always going to need currency. Although the value of different currencies goes up and down, the fluctuations are not as dramatic as stock prices and generally follow a predictable trend. 6. You do not have to worry about commissions, exchange fees nor any hidden charges when you trade Forex. Forex brokers make only a small percentage of the bid and there are very respectable and free brokers available as well. Is that not wonderful for you? 7. You make profits no matter which way the currency is going. You will not worry about a falling currency value if you know what to do with it and make good gains. 8. Forex is a very transparent market. Unlike equity markets, where analysts have an unfair advantage over the layman because of their insider knowledge, the relevant information for Forex is equally available to everyone through international news. Therefore, all Forex traders are in a position to make pertinent decisions according to the current market situations. 9. Forex market is extremely quick. It takes not more than 1 to 2 seconds to complete your transactions because it is all done electronically, online and in real time. 10. The final good news is that you do not need any formal education, licensing, diploma or degree to trade Forex. All you need is the know-how of how it works, trading strategies and some tips and techniques, and you can be on your way to earn big profits. Forex trading online may be the fastest path to financial freedom and an end to all your financial worries. It truly is an excellent, if not the best home business opportunity for ordinary people. You owe it to yourself to give it a try. Prosperity and happiness to all. Best place to learn technical analysis training, fundamental analysis training, options trading, Forex trading, commodities trading, stock market training at NCFM Academy Hyderabad.in. Visit NCFM Academy Hyderabad number 406 Annapurna Block, Aditya Enclave, near Mitravanam, Amirpet, Hyderabad, India. Call +91 7702486328 landline +9140 48560292.